Hello friends, welcome back to another brand new video of Sania Crafts. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make a DIY paintbrush. In my previous one of the video, I have shown how to make a DIY paintbrush and you have liked it. I have got a lot of response from this video. I have come up with another idea of making a paintbrush and I hope you will also love it. So without wasting any more time, let's get started.
Makes me wanna leave this place and roam. Make me feel alive. Take my hand around, let me be the one. Let's just take the dive. Night's only begun, don't you think we're done? 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 Knew that it was true from the way you looked at me. At me. Don't you think we're done? Don't you think?
So my friends, I hope you have enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a thumbs up for me or any kind of suggestion in the comment section will be appreciated. I will catch you with new ideas in my new video. Till then, stay safe, be happy, bye bye.